Hello, it's Bob again. So we are at the Christmas train store now, and it's located in their house now. And this is some of the products that are still left over from the stuff that Hugh had been selling for many years at the Christmas train store in KANATA on Kekula Drive. Now it's at their house on 7 Liston Crescent.
Listed.
7
Listed.
Listed. 7 Listed Crescent. Anyway, it's not hard to find. You'll find it. I'll put an address and location near the end of the video. But this is what we have. And here's Linda. She's the proprietor of the store now. And we're looking at the Mike's Train House stuff.
Yes, and the Rail King.
And the Rail King, yeah.
And then the next shelf is basically mostly Lionel with a few K-line. I think there's a couple of Williams on there and a few others.
Yeah, there's a K-line down here. Yeah. So there's all this is now priced to go too. Linda has a lot of this stuff on sale.
This right now, all of my engines are at 20% off, but I'm going to have them for the month of July for 25% off on selected engines. Because I do have some new engines that have just come in, and they will not be included in that sale. Well,
that's okay.
Yeah. Everything is listed online under the inventory, and any specials I have, I put at the top of the inventory list.
And you're online on what's your
Christmas Train Store.
Christmas Train Store online.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have this up here.
Yeah, I still have a few passenger cars in here which will be moving to the garage probably within the next week.
Okay, so let's go and see the rest of the area. So there's quite a few. So we'll continue on down. This is actually in the house and the garage.
In my living room, I have, these are all basically the legacy engines.
Legacy engines, okay.
Yeah. And then we go.
So you can see there's quite a lot in here.
Yeah. And then we, this is basically all Lionel. And then I still have a few train sets left.
Some really good prices too on these, I see.
Yes.
Well, that's really good. People are always looking for a good bargain.
Yeah. And the sale price will be off of this price.
Okay.
Yeah. Those are all the original prices.
Those are original prices, so your engines are going to be how much less?
25.
25% less. That's good.
On selected.
Okay, that's good. So are these ones here, they're legacy? So,
yes.
Okay. Wow, okay.
Then we have more of the Lionel line here.
Okay. Quite a selection of trains.
Well, he's been collecting them for a long time.
Has he ever been?
I think we started in 1987.
Wow.
86 or 87 we opened up. We started off with the VCR repair, and he would buy one for the store and one for him.
That's a good way to do it. So these are the ones for him that are still for sale?
No, these are all the stores.
These is all the store too?
Everything in here is all the stores.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. those are the train sets I have left.
So you still have some Bachmans? Yeah.
Yeah.
Polar Express parts?
Yeah. And these are the TMCC.
These are TMCC by Atlas, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
The body is made by Atlas, but the the electronics part is all Lionel inside.
Okay. Okay.
They're all TMCC.
So there's quite a selection.
Yeah. And there's some Williams.
Williams here too?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There.
Are they TMCC, do you know?
I don't think these ones are.
No, eh?
No.
And then we have Mike's Train House down here.
No, these are Weaver.
Oh, these are Weaver. Oh.
Yeah, that's the Jubilee.
Oh.
And this is the Canadian Pacific.
And Nickel Plate, Berkshire. Is that a TMCC, do you know?
No.
No, eh? Okay. And some train sets. There's some great train sets and accessories. Some smoke units. Smoke. Bottles of smoke fluid. Well, they're nice. Okay, so you say you have some in the garage too.
Oh, yes.
Okay, let's go see.
Lots in the garage.
Lots in the garage. Wow. Yes, there's lots in the garage. I didn't know about these, but here we are. Look at this.
These ones here are the ones that are estate sale.
Okay.
All these 3 shelves here.
Okay.
And I have them at an additional 30% off. And as you can tell, a lot of the prices are very low, $34.99.
With 30% off?
Yes, and $25 here.
Wow.
There's $35 there. So the prices are really good, plus
That's very good.
30% off those.
And it looks like you still have some large scale.
Oh, those are Hughes.
Those are not for sale yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
I'm working on it.
We're working on that.
Yeah.
We have a lot of Weaver here too, eh?
Yeah. Yeah.
An Atlas down here.
Yeah. And all these are 50% off. All rolling stock.
I'll have to have a look at them before I go myself. Wow, this is quite a selection.
And these are my accessories. And I have basically duplicates downstairs. I just put one out here.
Okay.
And then the next 3 rows are all passenger cars. The passenger cars are 35% off. Accessories are 40 for this month only.
Okay.
And then passenger cars are 35% off. All of them.
If any of you people are looking for good deals on passenger cars and freight cars and accessories,
Yes.
Command Control Culvert Loader. That means it's TMCC.
Okay. Those are more accessories, and everything behind you here is basically passenger cars, except for the expansion sets that are here at the end.
Okay. What's the shell? Do you know? Is that a shell?
That's a oil tanker.
Oh, that's an oil tank. A shell oil tank. Wow.
See it?
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's what that is. Oh,
Yeah.
wow. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
There we go. There's a bridge, too. Wow.
The wheelchair out of the way. I'll put it in the car anyway.
Wow, there's certainly a good quantity here.
but gone. This whole section was all rolling stock when I moved it first into the garage.
Wow.
Now the other side has no rolling stock on it.
So if you're looking for accessories or rolling stock, get a hold of Linda. Christmas Train Store. This is good stuff here. And this is just what's left over, eh, Linda? There used to be a lot more.
Oh, yes. My whole house was full.
The whole house was full.
And upstairs is now basically just that one room with a little bit left in it.
There's still a great quantity of. I've seen less in stores.
Break it.
Whoops. Won't break it. Sorry, folks, I dropped my phone. Good thing it didn't break, but it's all right. Good phone.
These items here are rather new.
Okay, these are new, are they?
Yeah, so I have them on, I think I put them on at 20% off.
Well, that's still a good deal.
Yeah.
And you can come and pick them up?
50. Yeah.
Do you ship out, or is this a pickup mostly?
No, I ship.
Oh, and we will ship them out to you, too. That's very good.
These are all the hoppers.
Hopper cars. Wow. That's a lot of stock, Linda.
Oh, tell me. I even have shelving units if you need any.
If you're looking for shelving units, there's some shelving units too. My goodness.
Yeah, they were all from the store.
They're from the store.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, folks, if you're looking for...
Oh, those are passenger
cars. Here, these are passenger cars. Oh, wow. So if you're looking for a passenger car set,
Pacific, North Pacific,
3-pack.
yeah, Canadian Pacific.
A lot of Canadian stuff, eh?
Not that much left in passenger cars. The Canadian stuff is going really well.
It went pretty fast, I guess.
Yeah.
There's an Alaska, New York Central, Northwest, Cascade, Northwest. Amtrak, 2-packs. Amtrak, 2-pack.
Yeah, they're different numbers.
But she doesn't have much track left because I just bought most of it.
Oh, the tubular track.
The tubular track is gone.
I have lots of the fast track.
You have lots of fast track, do you?
Yes. Yeah, I have all the fast track. I have all the different, the 4-inch, the 5-inch
sections. Oh, yeah.
Quarter,
oh, wow. So there's lots of fast track stuff.
Yeah, all the uncouplers and all that kind of stuff.
Is that right, eh?
Yeah, I have all of that.
Hmm.
None of that is on sale because I order that in regularly till the stock goes down.
Okay.
Once this goes down, then I'll be bringing, when I get room, I have a...
So you're going to continue to operate for a while for sure?
Oh, yes. Until this is gone, and then I will have Hughes trains.
Okay. So this will be in operation for quite a while, so... Don't be shy. And don't be worried. There's lots of stuff here.
plus all the Disney stuff.
Wow.
And what I have left of Mike's Train House in Real King.
At Super Streets.
And Super Street. And I've a lot of the different
And this will be
tracks.
someday, this will be.
Hopefully soon.
Hopefully soon. So hopefully soon there may be some large scale too. Well, Linda, thank you very much for showing me around. I am going to put this on my YouTube, and we'll hopefully get some good hits from it.
Hopefully. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you. Take care, guys. We'll see you again. Bye-bye.